Alright, today guys, we are playing Iron Cat for the first time. I've been watching some YouTube videos on it because I've been playing it for a little, but like I forgot to start the video, but I'm gonna start a video on it. Well, I just did, but I watched some YouTube videos so I know some hacks and I could teach you some. Well, they're not really hacks, but tricks. Like, watch this. I don't know if you've seen this one yet. No. Alright, you'll know, maybe. But she's very slow walking. She just agreed.
Me.
Give me a hug. Give me a kiss. Oh yeah. Watch this, watch this. See, I got Dookie in my hands. Open your mouth. You might know. What? Oh, pick me back up.
As if not.
Crap. Okay, let's redo that. But she got mad for taking her dentures out. Alright, now let's pick up my Dookie. Say goodbye to the time. Time to the Dookie. Oh, what's a fun to do? So, I'm still learning how to climb. I kind of did the tutorial, but forget. Because, like, I did some random buttons and somehow... It's in your mouth, bro! Picking up one more piece. Grandma, pick me up. Did you not eat? Is this still I'm gonna take your glasses. Oh crap, run. I'll show you some safe spots. I think. I haven't tried this yet, but when I go upstairs, she usually can never get me. But I don't know if she can go up the stairs. I wonder. Okay. Yeah, see, she can't go up. She's scared. They should fix that. But this is usually my hiding spot. Yeah, I can run from you. She kind of yaps, but like, she's annoying. She doesn't speak straight up English. It's like her mom was gibberish and her dad was English. Because she speaks ye English. I don't know. I'm just trying to make up something. See, I don't know how to climb good. Like, maybe there's only certain things I can climb on, but like, can I climb on this wood? I don't remember the tactics. You guys can comment down below and tell me how to do it. My bad. My voice got a little sore. I will try to post daily, but I've got sports and stuff, school, so like, I can't really post daily anymore, but when it was summer, I tried to post a lot, but I kind of forgot about my channel. And plus, I forgot about my VR. Oh, you gonna eat it, Grandma. You gonna eat it. Eat it! I should get her to eat food later. Maybe that'll make her happy. Oh, Grandma, you dropped your dentures. So, if this video gets 20 likes, I will act like a cat, and I will play for about a 20-minute video, and I will play like a cat. I will talk like meow, 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 if you want me to. I don't know, but if I hit 50 subscribers, I will live stream, and you guys can control me. But I only have like 13 right now. I'm not sure. Maybe 13, 11. I'm not sure, but half those are my friends. Not even if real people are even gonna watch this. That's the thing. Oh, Michael Jordan. My headset slipped, but I just wanted to talk to you guys. I'm not gonna go away yet, but I'm gonna try and feed her an eggplant from the fridge. See, you guys can tell me in the comments. There's a bunch of stuff you probably need to tell me, but it says fridge unless I'm stupid. I think it says fridge. But I'm gonna try and open the fridge. Oh wait, I gotta open it first. Does it like turn it off or on? What? Let's get this. What's this? Is this my cat food? Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Hug.
What is it?
Want eggplant? Eat it. No! Hug me! Pick me up! I want to feed you. Nope. Eat it. Can you not? Wait. I'm not. What I do? Alright. This last clip before my headset dies, I'm gonna try and make Grandma angry. Like, I'm gonna break every vase I see. Let's see what quest I got. I don't even know what it does. So climb to the top of the shelf of the refrigerator, alright? And then touch 6 paintings. I'll look at the last one. I wasn't paying attention. So this seems hard because I don't know how to climb well. Shut up.
I'm with you. Who's this something?
Did I hit you with a frying pan? Alright, yeah, guess not. No! Ah! Okay, that's what I need to learn how to like grasp. I'm sure my friend, we make videos together. You can go subscribe to him if you haven't. Your name. It's Lou_GT, I think, unless he changed it. But yeah, he plays Gorilla Tag and stuff. Wait, what's this? Is this a taser? Grandma, will you in for a treat? Wait, can it pop balloons? Probably. I guess not. Zzz. You ready for this, Grandma? Oh. I can see her bones. Let's see. What's her head look like? Move. Oh, yeah. What if I just keep it like this? Oh, it only works when you hold it. Okay, there we go. Let's run before she kills me. Okay. Because she gave me that dirty look. I tased her to death, basically. But honestly, this sounds a little violent, but like, there should be something if you like make Grandma really mad. She will throw you away or something. I don't know. She throws you out of the house, and you gotta go live on your own and tear up a world. or you don't. Alright, why'd I scream like that? Why'd I scream like that? Ooh. I would really do anything for likes. I don't have live streaming yet, but I do have Twitch. Which, like I said, I will be streaming sometimes if I get that 50 subscribers. Not forcing y'all, like saying you have to, but it would be very nice, and I would live stream a lot, trying to get more subscribers and become good. But for now on, I'm gonna be Cat Jordan. Oh, did I make that? It didn't sound like it gave me the points. Wait, let's try and make it from the stairs. The thing about this is, there's a mini hoop in the game. I don't love basketball. Football's my favorite, but it's kind of fun actually. Like being Cat Jordan. I'm gonna stop this taser. I'm gonna grab it real quick. I'm gonna throw it over here. Wait. Electric against an electric robot. Will you wake up? What? I got you. Follow me, cat. This looks like one of those PlayStation robots. I'm not joking. Might just be me. You know that new game that just came out? I don't know. Sometimes I make videos and I don't have time to post them and I forget about them. So there might be videos I will be posting from a long time ago. I'm not sure, but today I got nothing else to do except for I also like to draw. I do fan arts. I will show you guys in another video, but in Animal Company, my art made it on the board, which there's like a lot of art, but I will show you which one. And I like to draw. I will be posting, not to brag, but like just to show you, see how, I don't really care if you don't like it. But right now, I'm making a picture of a rapper. His name's MFD. What if I really do that Michael Jordan jump like this? I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, I made it. So yeah, I like doing art. I have a lot. I will show you the drawing when I'm done, but this will take a couple days because there's a lot left to do, and it has a lot of detail. I'm not even joking. I don't do it on paper though. I do it on the iPad or whatever, computer. I do like. I will tell you the app if you guys want to be. It's free. Some apps like this aren't free. But yeah, I will post one of my other. Alright, I'm gonna try and get 20 points, then I'll go. I'm just talking for now. Alright, that's 14. But I am working on one right now, but I haven't had a lot of time to work on it, but I've been working on it for at least 4 hours, but I've been like busy also trying to do other stuff like homework and all the crap. I got sports to do. So I don't really have time to work on it, that art. But today is a good day to work on stuff because I'm bored as heck. And yeah, I will post you the results of one of my other ones. It did pretty good on TikTok. I got like 60 likes and 1,000 views, which is pretty good for me at least, because I'm not a big content creator. And oh, I hit the rim. I'm going to try and use the backboard.
Kobe!
Oh, 20. Alright, Curry. So, I think that's it. I will be working on this video. Really, it's not going to be out for at least a couple hours, but yeah. My bad. Oh, I didn't make that noise after something like that. I don't know, game that I got. Alright, so I'll throw this ball down the stairs real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll be making some more videos. Like I said, those 50 subscribers would help. But you don't have to. Really, my only subscribers are my friends, which they've helped throughout my journey. My other friend, Lou GT, he has like 111 subscribers. He makes videos kind of often now, but might be taking breaks for a little because, you know, school. And I've had this account for a long time, but I just didn't post much. I've had it for like maybe 3 or 4 years now. I'm not sure. Probably actually like 2 years. I'm not sure. But yeah, I am gonna go. Let's attack Grammy from the top. Come down. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah! I missed. I totally missed. Alright, I'll see you guys. I gotta charge my Oculus. I will be editing this video. It'll probably be out in like 2 hours. I'm not sure. Well, you guys won't see it till it's out, so that's the thing. Alright, bye.